This is for a Fluke 187 true RMS multimeter. It is really cool. It is on, it tests, works. It comes with original leads, your negative and your positive right here. Pretty big screen for readout. AC DC. This has your cover here. Infrared. It's just really just a cool multimeter. Covers just about anything you possibly could want to do with this thing. This is going to be a buy it now, and it's also going to be free shipping. And you can get this and other items at our eBay store. Get it now upon 1500. Thanks.